Hello my friends. I'm going to be doing a pour today with ColourArte's Prizm Pour paints. But before I get to it, let me tell you some exciting news. You can always save 20% on any ColourArte purchase by using my coupon code, which I will list here and down below. But they're having a summer savings sale. Through July 22nd, you can get 25% off your entire ColourArte purchase by using my coupon code. So be sure to check that out. And there's also a fun little promotion going on through the whole summer. If you go to the ColourArte website, and again, I'll link it down below, there's a cute little emu named Eddie that will pop up throughout the site. And if you spot him, you click on him and add it to your cart. He will take $25 off your total purchase. Now, there's only one Eddie a day, I believe. So if he is in two people's carts, whoever checks out first gets the $25 off. And if he's not spotted one day, I think he carries on and there might be two the next day. So it's kind of a fun little promotion and a great way to save. So let me explain today's colors. I'm using 4 Prizm Pour paints. Royal Sapphire, Peacock, I'm kind of going with the Peacock colors here, Twilight Violet, and Emperor Gold. Now those I've mixed 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, no water, so easy peasy. And then I've mixed 3 matte colors just to kind of mix things up a little bit. I've got a Soho, and I'm added a little white to lighten it up a little bit. Again, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, but I did add a little water to these paints I'm showing you now. And this was a lot of white with a little bit of blue. And then lastly, I used some light green by Artist Loft, to which again I added a bit of white to lighten it up. So there we go. I've arranged them in metallic matte, and so on. I'm going to use this glass cup to pour out of. It's pretty dirty, but I don't think that's going to affect it. And here we go, starting with the Peacock. I think I'll get about 3 layers. Of each color. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I wonder, do I want this one? Yeah, why not? That is a beautiful gold, Emperor Gold. And repeat. Try to do this quickly. We're having another big ColourArte event in August the 7th, where many of the ColourArte affiliates will be doing videos and incorporating a secret word. You put all those words together to become a secret phrase, and then you enter that phrase on the ColourArte website, and you're eligible to win a huge product prize. But more details will come for that as we get closer to the date. But I participated for the first time in the spring, and it was a lot of fun. So I look forward to it again. It's a great way to meet some artists that are new to you, because you need to watch all the videos to be able to get the secret phrase. Okay. Hope I have enough light. Light colors. These are all, a lot of these are very mid-tone values, but we'll see. And here we go. It's going to do kind of a straight jiggle traveling pour. That is a powerful color, the Twilight Violet. Okay. It's much more blended here than here, but I like the contrast. Scrape out all of this I can. Yeah, I got a visitor on my table, an ant. Okay, well that didn't do much, but at least I got it out of the cup. All right, here we go. Look at that shimmer. I hope you can see that. No silicone added, but some little cells always pop up because of the mica. Oh my goodness. Look at the sides there. Isn't that pretty? I hear you. Sorry, Slinky. She's so bossy. Just a minute. Wow. The effects and the colors and the shimmer, it's just amazing. Look at that. It looks very, I don't want to drip over it, organic there. It looks like leafy material there. I like the swoop through there, and the shimmer is, if I may say, magnificent. I might be done. Certainly don't want to add anything to it. Just come down this way. There's just a little tiny section at the bottom I didn't care for, and so I poured that off, and now I'll come back. Yeah. Oh, I like it. I think it's quite pretty. I mean, face it, turn it towards you in the orientation I think I see it in. There we go. Easy peasy. I'll tell you, these ColourArte Prizm Pour paints are pretty astounding. Oh, that's pretty in there. Let me bring you in for a closer peek. I hope you can see the shimmer. That's the area that I think is just fascinating. Very pretty. There we go. So fun to pour on a round canvas, I believe. Okay, my friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Do check out ColourArte, and I look forward to painting with you next time.